guys, I'm here at Minchinhampton Common today. I've bought the rise ramps and we're going to be testing them out here at Minchinhampton Common. Right, so our first line of today is the mini kick, the baby ramp, and we're going to be going off this one. This is for like kids, perfect for people, beginners learning. So we're going to be jumping off this, down into this bank, and then jumping up onto the flat bank of the rise, the large one, the wedge. That's a little launcher for that, dude. Okay. I think I might just leave that ramp there because it'll slow me down, so I'll take it. So we're going to put this one up the top of this bank here. Then we jump down into here and then we'll get the small one and we'll jump. So we'll jump down into here and then put the little one here in. Straight.
Okay.
There we are, guys. There's our fun time at Minchinhampton Common. It's been a blast. Been off the bike for a bit though, but it's been pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, hit that big red subscribe button. Just to let you know, we've got our Rise clothing here and all the ramps in this video will be perfect for a Christmas present. So go check that out at www.rise.bike. Peace.